for the vlog, guys and girls. I'm walking now to the birds watching, and with my lens and my camera is so big, 600 millimeter, 150 to 600, and I'm walking for 50 minutes. It's in the morning, 8 o'clock now, so maybe, and it is very good weather now. I love it, and I see you on another side. There is the bird watch hut. I tell you in the description for more information. Here I am the rules for the bird watching hut. In Dutch, Poles, Russia, and I don't know the last language. 4 languages. There's the rules here. And this is the wet. And here more. I see you on the outside.